Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I just got this Be Happy box on my doorstep and it looks like a Valentine's Day box. So if you'd like to see me open it up and see my first reactions, keep watching. Okay, so I am a huge fan of the Happy Planner Be Happy boxes. If you don't know what they are, they're basically, they're kind of like a subscription box, but they're a one-off subscription box. It's not, you don't have to like subscribe to an ongoing thing. It's just kind of a limited edition box. So everything in here is only going to be available in this box as far as I know. Sometimes they do release things after the fact on their website, but not always. So I don't really have any way of knowing that. Also, I'm not sure when this is coming out or how much it's going to be or if there are any coupon codes or anything like that because I am filming this way in advance. I just received this and it's like way before Valentine's Day, so I don't know anything about it yet. But all the information will be in the description box and I will have an affiliate code down there as well. I love it when you guys use my affiliate code because that's part of what makes my income so that I can work at home. So thank you for using my link and let's get started. I'm gonna open this up. Like I said, I don't know anything about this or what's inside, but it's obviously Valentine's Day related. Okay, so, and it's a big one. It's like pretty big compared. All of the heart eyes, that's so cute. I love these boxes they come in. And then this says living the sweet life. Oh my gosh, this paper, I can't. We've got this like these like hearts and little stars and circles. Oh, it's so cute. Super cute. I'm gonna say super cute a lot in this video. That's just a disclaimer. Okay. There is beauty all around. So in every Be Happy box, you get a card that's gonna tell you about what's inside the box. I don't know exactly what this is called yet, but again, I will let you guys know. Okay. So let me take this aside and pull, I see some stickers here. I know you guys are gonna like that. I'm gonna pull this out and bring everything up one by one. I hope this is a full size sticker book for Valentine's Day because we've never had one of those and that is super exciting. But right away, I see some washi tape and you guys know I'm a washi tape fan. Do you hear my dog trying to get inside? I want to let her in, but I think she's going to be whining at me and barking if I let her in, but I'm going to take a chance and let her in so that the scratching does not bother you. Okay. So this one says feeling cute. And then we have just some hearts here. Some rainbows. Love. Look at these. There are those heart lollipops that are in the Girl Power sticker book. Aren't they adorable? I love that so much. I love those stickers in that book, so I can use this for sure. This one says XOXOXO, and that's repeating. And then, of course, the lips. These are so cute. So these are like I call these like the medium size washi. They're not the super skinny ones and they're not like the bigger ones, but they're just sort of, I don't know exactly what they're called, but they're, well, I'll show you. Okay, so these are 1/4 inch wide. All right, so we have that. Let's see what else is here. There is a notebook here, a Happy Notes notebook. This is classic sized. Let's check it out. Okay, so it says Let Love Bloom. It's kind of like, you know, red foil a little bit, but it's not super shiny. I really like it. It's really fancy. And then we have some plastic pink discs here. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is really cute. Like I said, those lollipops, we have cherries and like little XOXOs and stuff. This is gonna be a dot grid layout. Love potion. Oh my gosh, so cute. This is adorable. You got this. So it is a dot grid layout and the dots are red. And then we have a red center here. And all the pages say you got this and jot it down over here. Yeah. Okay, so then we have different dividers. This is Follow Your Heart. And you can use these Happy Notes notebooks for whatever you want. You can use them just for like, you know, jotting down whatever, or you can separate them into, you know, different categories. You can use these tabs for different things. And you can also add dividers from other planners or notebooks and put them into one notebook and make it your own. Like if you want to do different lists or different projects you've got going on or anything. They're really versatile. Send love and flowers. There we go. And that is the back. That is so cute. Love that. And this cover is not white. It is like, I'll show you a white piece of paper. So it's like a cream colored kind of. It's really pretty. And Bumble's saying, Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Okay. Next up, we have Show Yourself Some Love. Sticky notes. I have Bumble's ball here so she won't bother me. She's still gonna bother me. This is a cute little sticky notes notepad. And the good thing about this is you can just pop this into your planner and you're always gonna have sticky notes when you need them. I love that. So definitely we'll be using those for whatever, you know, who can't use some hard sticky notes? All right. Next we have a sticker storage box. So I have a lot of these. I love these. I have them all over my desk and in my carts. I have like 10 of them. I'm not going to open this one right this second, but I will show you an example of like one that I have sitting right here. And basically, all right, so these are a little stuffed in. I went a little crazy there, but this is what they look like, and they fit a whole lot of sticker books. And I take like the ones I use the most and I put them in these, and then I have them on my desk so that I can just grab them right then when I'm using it for a spread. Anyway, those are great. I have a bunch of them. I love them, and they're specifically made just for, you know, storing your sticker books. And like, look at the inside, it's red. I think that's really cute. Okay, the last thing in here, you guys, it is a full-sized Valentine's Day sticker book. This is really exciting. This is super exciting. I didn't know that they were gonna make this. So fun. So let's do a flip through of this if Bumble lets me. Maybe she needs to be in my lap for this. Okay. So we have some decorative boxes here. Love will steer the stars. Living the sweet life. Love potion. Show yourself some love. Definitely different colors for Valentine's Day. They're kind of like a little muted and pretty. Just something different. Happy Heart Day. And we have a record player. Look at this with the wind and the like blowing hearts. Come here. Say hi to everybody. Hello, everyone. This is the troublemaker. You haven't seen her maybe in a little while. I don't know. By the time you see this, I don't know what you will have seen because, like I said, this is way before Valentine's Day. Anyway, these are on clear sticker paper. Then we have another page of like fun big icons here for Valentine's Day. This life is so very lovely. We have some Valentine's Day heart candies. You the best. XOXO, so much yes. Some functional boxes here. And you make it rain rainbows. So this is red foil. You are my jam. Love that. And then we have some of these strip stickers here. They're really useful for getting into small spaces. And then these tiny little boxes with the little hearts. I love those. We have some square decorative boxes for your monthly. Valentine Party, Happy Heart Day, Feeling the Love. Gold foil here, be happy, be bright, be you. You are something magical. I love like this size box, especially for my gratitude. And then we have some more monthlies here. Lots of functional boxes, which I love. And they're gonna be in the same colors as the rest of the stickers. So you can just grab this and make your Valentine's Day spreads. This says this week, pause and reflect. If you don't wanna those up there, you can always cut that off and make it just a regular long box sticker. Now we have some clear letter stickers. These are like metallic red, and then these are like sort of different colored ones to match the colors in the book. More functional boxes. These ones are plain. And then some Valentine's Day candies in gold and then in colors. Okay, so we have some washi strip stickers and then a couple stickers up here that say "So lovely, kiss, kiss." And then more boxes for you with some more of those cute little icon stickers. I love them. Live a life filled with love, loving this sweet life. This is where the good stuff happens. All the plans, happy notes, so important. More of those strips, but smaller. Those ones are cute with like the hearts on the ends. They say things like time with friends, life is so lovely, one busy weekend. And then we have some like decorative boxes that I love to layer. Like these are like a pattern, so I love to layer boxes on top of these. There's a lot of stickers in this book and a lot of these big drawings, which is so fun. And it's just going to be so easy to put together a Valentine's Day spread with these. Like simple, right? It's going to be good. I can't wait to make my Valentine's Day spread, but like I said, it's a while away, so I'm going to have to wait for that. But I think this box is so cute. I actually like it a lot better than last year's box. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of this box and if you're planning to purchase. Again, my affiliate link will be in the description and I'll put all the information there for you. And I'll probably put a comment in there too, just to remind you of when the sale's going to be and stuff. So happy shopping. I hope you love it and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.